Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will discuss about three division operators guys. Yeah, I saw many people getting confusion in these three division operators. In this video, I will explain you with examples. Then you can understand what's the difference between these three operators guys. Let's say we have float division operator and floor division operator and modular division operator guys. This floor division operator also called as truncating division and also called as integer division. We can call it any of one among these three names. And I will explain you the differences between what is the purpose of float division, floor division, and modular division. I hope now you will get one clarity. I will explain you now. Uh, See guys, coming to first float division. Suppose for example, if you take 4 float division by 2. Now here I am dividing 4 with 2 guys. Here the 4 is divisible by in 2 table with 2. 2 2's 4. Remainder we got 0 guys. In this case of float division guys, in this case of float division, it will take result as coefficient guys. It will take result as coefficient. Here we got coefficient 2. Here we got coefficient 2. It will take result from the coefficient. But in the case of a float division guys, instead of taking 2, it will give result as 2.0 guys. It will give result as 2.0. By default, the float division take result from the coefficient. Whatever coefficient we are getting from that coefficient, it will take float as a result, guys. Suppose if you take 5 float division by 2, we are dividing with 2 table and we got 1 and we taken 0 and we keep it a point 2.5 10. We got 0, right? In this float division, it will take result as coefficient. In this case, the answer is 2.5 guys. In this case, the answer is 2.5 guys. And now I will explain you. This is about float division guys. And now I explain you what is floor division guys. What is floor division? See guys, suppose same example I will take. Yeah, now I am dividing 4 floor division. See guys, floor division by 2. Suppose if I divide 4 with 2, I am dividing 2 to 4 equal to 0 guys. In this case also by default it will take result from the coefficient guide. We got a result from as 2, but in the previous case, in previous case floor division, in previous case from float division, it took answer as 2.0, right? But in the case of floor division guys, it will take only integer value guys. It will take only 2. See one more example you see, then you can understand what is exactly a floor division means. Now I am dividing 5 by 2, 2 2's 4, and we got remainder as 1, and again we are dividing this, taking 0 from, we got 0, right? I know, I hope you know these division guys. And from uh, by using floor division guys, by using floor division, it will take result from the coefficient, right? Here we got a result as 2.5, but the purpose of the floor division is it will truncate the float value and it will give answer as 2 guys. It will give result as 2. It will truncate the value 5. It will truncate value 5 and it will give the result as 2 guys. This is the meaning of floor division guys. And now I will explain you what is modular division guys. Now I explain you what is modular division. See guys, Again, I will take same example. Here for modular division by 2. Here I am dividing 4 by 2. Here dividing 4 by 2. We got the remainder as 0, guys. In this modular division, guys, in this modular division, it will take result as remainder, guys. Whatever remainder we get by dividing, it will take result from the remainder, guys. In this case, the result is 0, guys. In this case, the result is 0. Suppose if you take 5 to what 5 to in the end of the division, whatever value we got, that is taken as by modular division, guys. It will take remainder as a result, guys. I hope you understand what is float division and what is floor division and what is modular division, guys. Now I will explain you, I will show you practically also, then you can understand more better. Shift into uh, practical, guys. Here I took, see guys, here I took x equal to 4 by 2, guys. This symbol, this symbol denoted as what? Float division, guys. This symbol denoted as float division, right? This symbol denoted as float division. This is float division, guys. In this case, what is 2? 2.0. Actually, by dividing 4 by 2, guys, we got actually 0. We got 2. It, in the case of float division, it will take result from the quotient. You know this sentence, right? Actually, it will take result as 0, but it is showing what it is showing, result to 2.0, guys. It will take 2.0. It will show always, it will show result as a float value, guys. That's why we call it as this division is a float division, guys. And see, guys, here I took a floor division, guys, or truncating division operator or integer division operator, guys. Here in this case, previously in this case, it took 2.0, but here it take only 2, guys. Again, I will explain you with one more example, guys. Suppose y equal to 5, floor division by 2, and I am printing the value y, guys. See guys, I hope you understand what is floor division, what is float division. Here I am dividing 5 by 2, you got 4. Actually, this division, as a reminder, we got 0, right? In the case of floor division, guys, it will take result from the quotient, but actually we got result as 2.5, guys, but it took only 2, guys. But it took only 2. This is called floor division, guys. And one more division operator we have, guys, that is modular division, guys. Modular division. In this case, it will take a result from the remainder, guys. Whatever we got after dividing, whatever we got remainder value, that value only it will take, guys. It will take that value. I will show you one more example with 5. Suppose if take z equal to 5, z equal to 5 modular division by 2, guys. Now I am printing z. Now I am printing z. See, guys, here it taken, here it taken that 1. See, guys, 5. I am dividing 2. We got 2 to 4. We got remainder as 1, guys. It always took this modular division, always take result from remainder, guys. I hope you understand, guys. What is you understand what is float division, what is floor division or truncating division or integer division, what is modular division, guys. I hope you understand the difference between among three divisible operators. Thank you, guys. Thank you. See you later, guys.